Create your AI video using Clony AI.
This video generated by an AI tool. A single app which you can create your own voice and own avatar. Let's see the process. Download the Clony app from Google Play or the Apple Store. You can sign up using your Google email or create an account. Next, you'll need to add a voice. Write a sample name and choose the language type. You have three options. First, you can record your own voice. Second, you have the option to use a pre-recorded voice. Third, you can use other shared voices. We'll choose a pre-recorded voice. Now, upload the audio file. System will take a few seconds to recreate the voice. Check the sample voice.
Less than 3 minutes you can modify, edit, and can change website images by using AI. Let me show you the 4 easy steps. And you don't need any previous skills.
Once the first step is completed, let's move on to step 2. Generate your video now. Clony app offers many AI-generated image. Or you can select one of them or upload your own chosen photo. Give a title of your video. Select the video ratio. Now, select your model. We used our own AI avatar model. You can write your script too. You're nearly done. The system will generate a video and recreate your cloned voice. Let's check your video now. If everything is perfect, then download it. Let's play the video.
Less than 3 minutes you can edit. Create your AI video using Clony AI.
This is easiest way to featuring your cloned voice and create a video. Get ready to impress with Clony. Thank you.